Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a take a look at NEAR's protocol's latest update and its price action and where the token is headed as of now. So as of now the market is going down, so because of that we do have NEAR going down as well. Overall, NEAR usually performs really well whenever we have an alt season, but this alt season NEAR has been, I would say, not performing that well. So this is my analysis from my previous video. We'll just delete everything and we'll look at it from the fresh perspective as well. Now, as of now, the token is just going sideways. We'll talk about the price action at the end, but before that, let's have a look at some of the recent development that are going around NEAR. So starting with the biggest one would be that now NEAR intents supports like over 20 plus chain and 100 plus tokens. So this is basically the gas free bridge, as you can see here, and this is how it looks like. So basically you can do a lot of it, so I would say it is fairly well and they are doing really well. As you can see here, it is powered by the NEAR, so NEAR itself is getting in the cross chain, so I would say that's good for the NEAR in general. Now beside that, they also have their like on August 25th, as you can see in SF at Center for Architecture plus Design, they will launch their NEARCon SF session series. First one on the series is Agents in the Real World, featuring we have Proximity Labs and Fala Network, I believe. So now basically this is their NEARCon session, so it could create a hype around the NEAR potentially. I'm not sure, but there is a possibility. Now beside that, this one would be the biggest one. So now 9 shards live on the mainnet. So basically NEAR uses shard to basically scale the NEAR chain, and now the ninth one is live, so I would say that's a massive W for the token in general. So if you are a long time holder of the NEAR, and if you're not staking, I would say just stake the NEAR token, because the token itself is an inflationary, as you can see here, and this is how its supply is going. So basically I think it has like 7% or like 8% inflation rate, so you do get a pretty good rewards if you stake the token. So if you're planning to hold this token, especially for the long term, I think it is a must to basically stake the token and get the reward. Now in terms of its TVL, so its DeFi is doing fairly well, I would say. It's not improving, but it's holding really well around like 170 or 180. As of now it's at 156, as you can see here. Now overall it does have a fairly big ecosystem. It's not that big, but again it's doing fairly well, I would say. Now overall NEAR has been holding up really well, but due to AI tokens not getting their turn as of now in this earth season, because of that NEAR has been struggling as well. Now if we talk about the token itself, this is how it looks like. So as of now I would say NEAR is following this trend, which started back in November of 2020, and it has been in the uptrend ever since. So as of now, if according to this trend line, which is, I would say, most likely the most proper trend line for the NEAR, because this trend line has been time tested. So like back it started back from November 2020, and even in 2023 it actually ended up retesting around this exact trend line. So I would say if it wants to go up, or if it wants to hold, or if it wants to stay like above from this trend, I think that would be really good. So as of now I'm expecting like a retest around this trend line if we do see a big market crash. So this is very unlikely that it will retest this anytime soon, but I think if we do see a massive crash in the market, like BTC goes like as low as 90k or even lower than that, or if Ethereum like sees a massive dip, we could see NEAR making this correction and hitting this trend line. So like if that happens, we could see like it could play out like this, I would say, if it happens, and we could see a big recovery from the NEAR if it happens. But if the market doesn't crash and it let's say that the BTC just like go as low as 100k, I think the NEAR will most like the NEAR could actually go down like as low as 1.78 or even like $1.9 is a possibility. Now it has been going sideways ever since like I would say Feb of 2025, so it is must that NEAR flips this resistance if it wants to go higher. So if it does flips like this resistance around 3.6 to 3.3, we could see it like go as high as $6. There is a possibility because it has yet to perform like other alt tokens as of now. But again, we also have this resistance as well as this one, so I would be expecting a pullback from 3.1 to $3 even if it goes up as of now. Now again, I think as of now like this support seems to be the most I would say valid one, like around 1.84 to $1.8. I think if it goes down like in this exact range, we could see a pretty good I would say a rebound from this point as well, because I think that is a really good point to get into the token. But again, if the things do go really wrong with the crypto market, I think if you're a NEAR holder or if you're looking to buy NEAR, I think like $1.5 should be one of the best entries for this token, I think as of now, because even if you look here, there is this demand zone, I would say, that could actually push a pretty good that could actually push the token high as well. So as of now, the first entry that I'm looking at would be around 1.84 to $1.8, and the second one would be around 1.6 to $1.4. So these are the two things that I'm looking at if we do see a massive crash in the market. If we don't, if the market does continue to go up, there are two resistance that needs to be I would say flipped if it wants to go higher, so like 3.1 to $3 or even like 3.6 to $3 as well. Let's see what happens, but I think this is how it looks like for the NEAR. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.